Hi, I'm Lucas, this is Pierce, and this is Ollie.
We were asked to solve an issue in our environment that uses science, technology, engineering, and math thinking.
After research, we found this.
While not all waste is bad, such as food waste, which will break down in a few months, plastic can take up to thousands of years to break down.
One such plastic is styrofoam. It's used for insulation and packing products.
About a third of our landfill is styrofoam.
We looked at this issue and went out to find a solution.
Because obviously we can't just let it sit in a giant hole in the ground for the rest of our lives. We found out that a study conducted in Asia said that in 3 weeks, 300 mealworms could eat up to 2.7 grams of plastic.
So in the case then, by a bigger margin, 12 million mealworms can eat 10,800 grams in a week.
You're probably thinking, 12 million mealworms is unrealistic.
Well, yes, if we're talking about a standard carpet beetle.
Because they can lay hundreds of eggs at a time.
And if they are able to mate every month, depending on how many beetles you have, it could be a lot.
So I introduce to you.
The mealworm farm.
It has over 400 mealworms in there.
If 400 beetles lay 100 eggs, that's 40,000. And if they're laying 40,000 a month, there's obviously 12 months in a year, which would mean by the end of the year, there should be 480,000 mealworms eating plastic.
If 300 could eat 2.7 grams, then 480,000 could eat 4.32 kilograms. You're going through 4.32 kilograms in 1 week. The way this works is that there are special enzymes in the mealworm's stomach that can break down the styrofoam and use it for something useful. We put this in, and we're going to wait for a day. And sure enough, 5 minutes in, we've already got results. 3 hours in, and we've got really good results. Examining the piece of styrofoam, we found out that there was a grating pattern on the bottom, as if they had all been going like a line across it. And on the top, there was a hole just straight through the middle, like they'd all just been chunking through, and I'm pretty sure there was one inside. Examining time, right, let's open this up. Oh my god. Oh, it's just a shell of what it used to be. It's quite clear what happened. They dug into it like a tunnel, and now it's just a shedding of labyrinths. Want to eat? Want to eat? Want to eat? Want to eat? Ow! Ow! Ah! Ow! Let go! Let go! Oh!